So our third question is, on Saturday afternoon, Armin sent M text messages each hour for 5 hours and Tyrone sent B text messages each hour for 4 hours. Which of the following represents the total number of messages sent by Armin and Tyrone on Saturday afternoon? So there are two persons. The first person is Armin, the second person is Tyrone. So I need to find the total number of messages sent by Armin. Since he is sending M text messages each hour. So messages sent in 1 hour is equals to M messages. So he is sending messages for the 5 hours. So messages sent for 5 hours will be 5 M messages. So total number of messages sent by Armin in 5 hours are 5 M. Now for the other case, Tyrone. So um, he is sending P message text messages each hour. So in 1 hour he is sending P messages, and in 4 hours he will send 4 P messages. No, but they are asking which of the following represents the total number of messages. Means we need to find the total number of messages. So total will be the number of messages sent by Armand and the number of messages sent by Tyrone, which is 5M plus 4P. So our correct option is option number C.